Asset A30 is the most prestigious seat offered within the entire range and is designed to provide maximum comfort for first-class auditoriums. Meticulous attention to fine detail and finish provides an unrivaled seat of exceptional inbuilt quality and long-term maintenance-free use. The A30 is supplied with an industry-unique lifetime warranty and has been independently tested and certified by FIRA to Level 4, Severe Use category. Our auditorium seating range is also accredited with AIRO acoustics and noise control, meaning an asset seat effectively reduces sound and noise absorption, a fundamentally important feature for an auditorium. An extensive range of fabrics, finishes and accessories are available to allow you to create the perfect look.